Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hyundai Motor Company on Wednesday teased the upcoming 2021 Kona and the all-new Kona N-Line series SUVs. The SUVs are based on the Hyundai's Sensuous Sportiness global design identity. This video is going to be a very wonderful video for car enthusiasts. And guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The SUVs are based on the Hyundai's Sensuous Sportiness global design identity. The 2021 Hyundai Kona gets a more aerodynamic design with a low set air intake. The aggressive front bumper, complemented by corner fins and lean crease lines, makes the electric SUV appear bolder than ever. The all-new Kona gets a wider stance and shark-inspired nose that gives the SUV a very sleek look. The upgraded DRLs make the car look very sophisticated and stylish. The front skid plate and the bumper add to Kona's armored appearance. The first ever Hyundai Kona N line will also be expected to hit the markets very soon. The Kona will be latest entrant in the high-performance N-line portfolio, and it will become Hyundai's 8th car and the only electric car in the lineup. More details on the Hyundai Kona and Kona N-Line are expected in the coming weeks. Till then, stay tuned with me. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, such that whatever the latest leaked informations I am revealing through my YouTube channel will get updated to you at the earliest. Catch you again with another interesting video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, stay tuned. This is Subir. Sign off.